Hi there, welcome to the Premier Training AAT Q2022 information video. Please use the chapters in this video to jump to the relevant sections that apply to you. You are in safe hands, knowing that you will be studying with one of the largest multi-award-winning training providers in the UK for the AAT qualification. You can tick off everything on your checklist of learning requirements with Premier Training, such as instant access to a support network with the personal touch, an award-winning e-learning program, studying at your own pace, fast-track your studies with skills-based tutor-marked assignments, competitive course fees, an interest-free flexible payment plan, and consistently high pass rates. It's all about you. We exist to serve the needs of our students. Everything we do is driven by the simple philosophy that the student comes first. We encourage student-tutor interaction so that you never feel uncomfortable calling your tutor or course advisor for support, which helps keep you motivated and inspired. Need help? Don't worry, you have access to an excellent support network of committed tutors and course advisors, selected for their wealth of knowledge and experience in the industry. We are so confident you will not find better support, training or study resources that we guarantee if you find another training provider that offers the same, we will match their price. We promise to tutor you until you pass. Please see our terms and conditions for more information. What is the AAT? The Association of Accounting Technicians, AAT qualifications, are universally respected and internationally recognized. Organizations hire AAT qualified members for their knowledge, skills, diligence, and enthusiasm, because AAT represents the highest standards of professionalism. In short, an AAT qualification is a route to some of the most in-demand skills in the world, and provides our students and members with a professional status to be proud of. Get the practical accountancy skills employers want with an AAT distance learning qualification. You don't need previous qualifications or experience to study AAT courses. You can work at a pace that fits in with your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for your first job in accountancy, work self-employed, or simply want to enhance your existing accounting skills, home study, distance learning, AAT online courses will give you the skills you need. AAT training offers you a route into chartered accountancy. If you choose to further your studies with one of the leading chartered professional bodies, your AAT qualification will give you generous exemptions. Premier Training Awards. Vernon Anderson, AAT president, said, "The range of shortlisted entries, from colleges, distance learning and international providers, shows just how good the entries for this category were. It's fair to say all those shortlisted deserve to win, but there could only be one winner. Their application was outstanding, demonstrating a commitment to cloud accounting, with all their staff achieving Zero Advisor certification status, and the line, 'We must ensure that our students of today are properly prepared to be 21st century accountants,' helped to nudge them into first place. The winner of Large Training Provider of the Year goes to Premier Training. We have also received the AAT and PQ awards for our e-learning, as recognition that our study resources are the best in the industry. Which level should I start at? It will depend on the qualifications or work experience you have already gained. If you have good numeracy skills and existing business administrative knowledge, you will be able to join the course directly at the Level 2 certificate in bookkeeping or accounting. If you also have work experience or qualifications within manual bookkeeping and basic costing, there may be an option to start at the Level 3 certificate in bookkeeping or diploma in accounting. To assess which level you can start at, you will be required to either provide current AAT qualifications that are completed within the last 3 years or any other relevant qualifications. You can email them to us, and our assessors will advise if you are eligible for any exemptions. If you have bookkeeping accounting work experience, you will be required to complete a short online skills check that on completion is marked by an assessor. We will then contact you with the results and help you to make an informed decision. AAT Level 2 Certificate in Bookkeeping. Students completing this qualification will be able to confidently carry out typical bookkeeping transactions and tasks. Students will also gain an understanding of how typical tasks are automated through use of accounting software. A student completing this qualification will develop practical accountancy skills in double-entry bookkeeping and in using associated documents and processes. Students will be able to check transactions for accuracy, make entries in appropriate books and ledgers, and calculate sales invoices and credit notes. They will also cover more complex level bookkeeping procedures, including dealing with VAT, reconciliation and trial balances, and will develop their understanding of the relationship between the various accounting records. This qualification can lead to further study in bookkeeping or accountancy, or to employment as a clerical assistant, a trainee bookkeeper, an accounts clerk, a finance assistant, and an accounts administrator. Assessments. 2 units are assessed individually in end-of-unit assessments, which are Introduction to Bookkeeping and Principles of Bookkeeping Controls. AAT Level 3 Certificate in Bookkeeping. A student completing this qualification will develop the skills needed for financial processes, including accounting principles and concepts, advanced bookkeeping, and preparing financial statements. They will also understand business issues regarding payroll and value-added tax. All of this will be learned in the context of the ethical issues that a bookkeeper may encounter in their professional life. Students may wish to choose the Level 3 certificate in bookkeeping to focus solely on developing their bookkeeping skills in order to progress quickly to employment, or to focus on becoming a bookkeeper. Students may also wish to start with this qualification before progressing to complete the Level 3 Diploma in Accounting, in order to gain a wider knowledge of accountancy. The skills developed while studying this qualification could lead to employment as a professional bookkeeper, a senior bookkeeper, an accounts manager, and a ledger manager. Assessments. 2 units are assessed individually in end-of-unit assessments. Financial accounting, preparing financial statements and tax processes for businesses. AAT Level 2 Certificate in Accounting. A student completing this qualification will develop accountancy skills in double-entry bookkeeping and basic costing, as well as an understanding of purchase, sales, and general ledgers. Students will learn an understanding of accounting software and develop the professional skills and behaviors needed to contribute effectively in the workplace. Working in accountancy requires good communication skills, IT skills, and an understanding of the business environment, all of which are covered by this qualification. The qualification develops additional business skills that have particular relevance to those working in accountancy, finance, and general business roles. The skills developed in this qualification can lead to employment as an accounts administrator, an accounts assistant, an accounts payable clerk. Assessments. 4 units are assessed individually in end-of-unit assessments, but this qualification also includes a synoptic assessment, sat towards the end of the qualification, which draws on and assesses knowledge and understanding from across the qualification. The units studied in this course are as follows: Introduction to Bookkeeping, Principles of Bookkeeping Controls, Principles of Costing and the Business Environment. AAT Level 3 Diploma in Accounting. Students will learn and develop skills needed for financial processes, including accounting principles and concepts, advanced bookkeeping, and preparing financial statements. They will also understand the business environment, technology used in finance and accounting, business issues regarding payroll and value-added tax, issues in business, management accounting techniques, ethical principles, and sustainability considerations for accountants. The accountancy skills attained through the successful completion of this qualification will enable students to seek employment with confidence. Skills developed through this qualification can lead to employment in job roles, such as an accounts assistant, an accounts payable and expenses supervisor, an accounts payable clerk, an assistant accountant, an audit trainee, a credit controller, a finance assistant, a finance officer, an indirect tax manager, an insolvency executive, a payroll supervisor, a professional bookkeeper, a senior bookkeeper, and a tax assistant. 4 units are assessed individually in computer-based end-of-unit assessments, which are business awareness, financial accounting, preparing financial statements, management accounting techniques and tax processes for businesses. AAT Level 4 Diploma in Professional Accounting. The purpose of the Level 4 Diploma in Professional Accounting is to enhance the skills developed from the Level 3 Diploma in Accounting, enabling students to maximize opportunities in their current or new employment. By studying for this qualification, students will acquire professional accountancy and finance skills that will be useful throughout their careers, including drafting financial statements for limited companies, having the knowledge and skills to use complex management accounting techniques, the ability to analyze accounting systems and their associated controls, having knowledge and skills in specialist accountancy and finance subjects. Students will look at and become comfortable with a wide range of financial management skills and applications, and will gain competencies in drafting financial statements for limited companies, recommending accounting systems strategies, and constructing and presenting complex management accounting reports. Students will also learn about specialist areas such as tax, auditing, credit and debit management, and cash and financial management. Key themes have also been introduced throughout the suite of accounting qualifications, including technology, ethics, sustainability and communication. This qualification comprises of 3 mandatory and 2 optional units, from a choice of 5 options. The mandatory units assessed individually in computer-based end-of-unit assessments are Applied Management Accounting, Drafting and Interpreting Financial Statements, and Internal Accounting Systems and Controls. The optional units assessed individually in computer-based end-of-unit assessments are Business Tax, Personal Tax, Audit and Assurance, Cash and Financial Management, and Credit and Debt Management. Your study resources. My Premier Training Account, YPTA. YPTA is your own personal online account that has everything you need to study right at your fingertips. You will have access to tutor and course advisor contact details, study books online, personal timetable, revision tools and extra learning tests, and installment plan details. Online interactive e-learning videos in which our tutors cover key topics visually to aid our students' learning and development. Online assignments. Our assignments are skills-based, allowing you to put into practice what you have learned in theory. They cover the course topics extensively to ensure students are fully prepared for the AAT assessments. Each assignment will cover a few chapters of your study book to allow you to recap and test your knowledge of each section. Online practice assessments. Our practice assessments are designed to prepare students for their live AAT assessment. They are based closely on the actual assessment, so that students are fully prepared and aware of what will be expected. Tutor Support. All of our tutors are qualified in accounting, with both vocational and extensive teaching experience. Tutors are efficient, patient and friendly. You can call or email as many times as you need. You have instant and direct access to your personal tutor and course advisor via telephone and email. Assignments are marked by a tutor and not a computer, and are returned promptly to keep you on the right track. We have personal course advisors, many of whom have completed or are currently studying AAT courses, and who have hands-on experience of balancing studies with work and family commitments. We also have in-house IT specialists, if you need technical support. You will have a personal tutor, who will be your first port of call, and if your tutor is unavailable for any reason, we have a team of tutors who can access your records and assist you. Studying with us, you will find the staff patient, friendly and helpful. We offer a great support network for students. You will receive constructive feedback and unlimited guidance and support. Simply call, and there is always someone to help. Premier Training Course Fees. We want to help you to get started on your studies without the burden of excessive course fees that some providers charge. Award-winning support, training and study resources should not cost you the earth, which is why we have kept our course fees very competitive to help on your journey to success. Even better, you can pay the course fees by interest-free installments and include your AAT registration fees, which means you can register with the AAT now, spread the cost, and take advantage of the AAT resources as well. AAT awarding body and assessment fees. In addition to the Premier Training course fees, you will be required to pay a student registration fee to the AAT and assessment fees to the AAT Approved Assessment Centre. Assessment fees are payable to the assessment centre as and when you book each assessment. The fees will vary depending on the centre and consist of the AAT assessment fee and assessment centre administration fee. A fee is payable for every individual unit assessment and synoptic assessment. As the fees vary so much, we can only give you an approximate idea of what they will be. Don't worry though, as we have a team of course advisors that will assist you to find the nearest center and what they charge. Alternatively, you can find your nearest assessment center using the AAT online search facility. Getting started. Getting started with your studies couldn't be easier. You can enroll regardless of academic background, nationality, age, location, or occupation. There are multiple methods of enrollment, and you can start your studies within 1 hour. The easiest and quickest way to enroll is over the phone using a credit or debit card. This will only take a few minutes, and the course advisor will complete the enrollment form for you. If you enroll Monday to Friday before 2:30, you will receive all your course material the very next day, even on Saturdays. You can enroll online by visiting our website at www.premiertraining.co.uk. Then click on the course title link and follow the step-by-step instructions. Once you have submitted the form, you will receive confirmation of your order, and a course advisor will contact you with details of what happens next. To enroll by employer invoice, simply complete the enrollment form and ask your employer to sign Section 3. Then email it to info@premiertraining.co.uk. Our course advisor team will dispatch your study material straight away and invoice your employer. You can access the online enrollment form on the course pages of our website, or we can email you a PDF version over. We look forward to hearing from you, and good luck with your learning journey.